Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so today we're going to be doing some crafts together, so let's get started. Okay guys, so now what we're going to do are the bunny faces. Now I'm pretty sure that there's googly eyes in here. It says, yeah, 12 wiggly eyes, 24 pom-poms, 24 felts. So I did get a package of multicolored because I thought it would be cute to change up their eyes. So I do have that. So we're going to open this up. And this kit to do the pom-poms is $1.25 at Dollarama. So let's pull everything out. Here's the pom-poms. Here is the felt. Here are the googly eyes. And here are the instructions. So it does give you instructions. So we'll just lay that there. It's pretty straightforward. There's the white one. I'm just going to fluff up the pom-poms a little, because they are flat from being in the bag. I'm just rolling them in my hands and fluffing them up. Now I have two types of glue. I'll probably use my art glitter glue, but I do have my favorite glue that I buy. It's the Craft Melody at Dollar Tree. So I have both glue. So I'm just fluffing them up. So we'll do a pink one first. It shouldn't take too long. So I'm get two little cheeks. I'm going to put a little bit of glue, or glitter glue. I'm going to apply it to the pom-pom. Put a little bit of art glitter glue. And I glue it to the pom-pom, just like that. We're going to grab a pink one for the nose. There. I have to refluff it once it's dry. Oops. So the pom-pom fell off. I might have to put some more glue. We'll have to see. So just like that. And then we're going to put two googly eyes. We'll use what they gave us. I'm just going to open it. Just right there. Pop out two eyes. So this is pretty easy, pretty straightforward. So just going to put a little bit of glue on there and a little bit of glue on this one. And then pop the eyes on. Ugh. Got a little bit of glue on its cheek there. So I'm just applying the eyes. So, and now we do have the ears over here, and it's pre-cut, so all you have to do is take them out. So there's one, two, and then the pink ones are the same. They have them already pre-cut, so all you have to do is pop it out. One, two. I'm going to add glue here and glue on this one. And just place the pink down and place the pink down. And there you go. And then you're just going to glue them in the fur. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue at the bottom of the felt and just stick it into the fur. And do the same thing on this side. Gonna add a little bit more glue to this one because it didn't stay. Felt does suck up the glue quite a bit, so you might have to add a little bit more glue than normal. I'm just gonna stick this down into the fur. Okay, so there's the little bunny. That's what he looks like. Super cute. And you can fluff him all up and everything when he's done and when he's dry. And I also have a hole puncher right here. So what I'll do is I'm just gonna punch a hole in the top ear, and I might have to do that after it's dry. Yeah, I'll do that after he dries, and I'll poke a hole, because what I'm going to do is I've got these keychains right here, and I've got little jump rings, and I'm going to attach them to the one of the ears and let them be a purse dangle or a keychain. So that's what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna put all of them together. So what I'm gonna do is let this dry. I'm going to fast forward me doing the other ones, and then at the end I'll show you what they all look like. they're done now. They need to dry, and then I will poke holes in the ears to make them keychains. But this is the one with pink eyes, one with yellow eyes, one with green eyes, one with blue eyes. This one is the one with black eyes. And this one I'm having quite a bit of problems with the glue sticking and everything. He's going to take a bit to dry, but he has green eyes. Once they're totally dry, I'll fluff them back up, but right now they just need to sit and dry, and then I will poke holes in them to make them keychains. Now, the one thing I'm going to say is I'm not sure. I'm going to try a different pom-pom one and try the other glue, because the glitter glue doesn't seem to be keeping it as sturdy as I would like. So I've given that a go, and I'm not going to do it again. But as for, it's really easy. It's great for kids. You know, you could sit and do this with your grandkids. You do need some patience to put them together and have some patience for them to dry, but they are super cute, and for $1.25 it's totally worth it. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I do an upload. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.